Good morning student. In this video we will learn that which of the following pair of the sets are equal. Here we are given two sets, one in the roster form and other is in the descriptive form. So we will check are these equal or not. So the first question is A. Set A is 3, 6, 9, 12 and the set B is multiple of 3. This is multiple of 3. The multiple of 3 means set B will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. They are unlimited. But here you see the set A is having only 4 elements and the set B is having unlimited elements. So they can't be equal. So I will write A set is not equal to B set. Now question number 2. Set A is having 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 elements in the collection and B set prime number less than 12. Now prime number less than 12. First I will write this in roster form. So the first prime number is 2, after that 3, then 5, then 7 and after that 11. But these should be less than 12. So I will not write 13 and I will close the set here. Here I see that all the elements of set A and B are same. Therefore A set is equal to B set. Now question number 3. Set P has the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the whole numbers starting from 0 and up to 4. Now here the question the set Q is positive integer less than 5. Positive integers less than 5. Now integers start from 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are less than 5. Now these are the numbers. Here you will see that all the members are same. So I will write set P is equal to Q. Now one question arises here that if I consider 0 then it is positive or negative. But we know 0 is not positive nor negative. So the question is we have to write 0 here or not. So this is for you to ask the question from me and you also. Now we proceed on fourth question after starting this third part. Now question number 4. The set A is having element 5, 7, 9 and B odd number between 4 and 5. Odd number between 4 and 5. The first odd number is 5 and after that 7 and then 9. Yes, these are all the odd numbers between 4 and 10. So here we see the member of the set A and the member of B set the B are same. Therefore I will write set A is equal to set B. Here question number 5. Set A has the elements S, A, T and B has the element A, T and B. Here A is same to A and T is same as T, but B is not equal to S. Therefore clearly I will write A is not equal to B. Set A is not equal to B. Now here M is a set of vowels in man. There is a word man and I have to write M as a set of vowels in man. So what is the vowel here? A. Therefore its answer will be A. Now N is the set of vowels in pen. Therefore set N will be also A. Here you will see by comparison that set MA is equal to set N. Now we have to solve this question. The heading is state the cardinal number of the following set. Cardinal number means how many members are there present in the set. So the first question is A, the set of letters in the word look. Now I will have to make the set and then counting their numbers. So the set A will be L, O and K. So how many numbers are there? How many members are there in the set? 3. Therefore the cardinal number is 3. So cardinal number is 3, or I can write in the proper way, implies number of elements in A is equal to 3. This is the answer. Clear? After that, question number 2, B, triangle, quadrilateral and pentagon. How many members are there? Only 3 members are there in set B. Therefore number of elements in B is 3. This is the answer. After that, C is a set where 0 is the element in the set. So how many elements are there? Only single element. This is a singleton set. Therefore number of element in C, that is 1. Prime number less than 6. Now I will write the prime number less than 6. First I name this set, say M. Therefore M set will be prime number. Prime number start from 2 and 3 and 5. Now how many elements are there? 3 only. N number of element in M is 3. This is the answer. D, colors of a rainbow. So how many colors are there in the rainbow? This is a shortcut to remember the colors of the rainbow. And how many are these? Are 7. Therefore cardinal number of the colors of rainbow is 7. Now E, square number less than 6. How many square numbers are there? Those are less than 6. The first number is 1, after that 4 and after that no one. Okay, so number of elements in the set E is 2. Square number, because if you write 1 multiply 1, that is 1. If you write 2 multiply 2, that is 4. It can be written as this, it can be written as this, 1 square and 2 square. So I can reach to this answer directly and write the cardinality of the set E. Quadrilateral with 5 sides. Quadrilateral is a 4-sided figure. So it cannot have 5 sides. So there is no quadrilateral which is having 5 sides. So no element is there in this type of set. Therefore number of element in F is 0. Okay, this is null set. In this way we have find that how we can write the cardinality of a number, cardinality of a set. Now in this question we will have to decide that these sets are finite set, infinite set, singleton set or null set. So let's go for first question. The set of the students more than 3 meter tall. 3 meter is a height that a student can't have. So this is the null set. No element is there. Month having more than 32 days. Every month as per calendar maximum 31 days. So there exists no month which is having more than 32 days. Therefore there is no element. Therefore it is an empty set. This is the symbol for the empty set or null set. Now fraction between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3 we can write so many fractions. Clear? Therefore this is infinite set. Whole number less than 1. Now whole number start from 0 and less than 1, that is only 0. Here only this member will be present in the set, therefore this is the singleton set. Singleton set, that means only one element is there in the set. Two digit number greater than 98. 98 is a two digit number, and what is the next two digit number? That is 99. So the set will include only 99. That's why this set is only a singleton set. So in this video we have learned the equal or not equalness of the set, cardinality of a set, and finiteness, infiniteness, singletonness of a set. Thank you.